Saludos and congratulations to Mary Help of Christians Crusade. Just continue your religious advocacy of bringing our Blessed Mother to every schools all over the country. For sure, your efforts, your sacrifices, and your prayers are heard. For the last 25 years, your crusade is already harvesting its fruits here in Signal Village National High School. Most of all, many vocations to the priesthood and sisterhood sprout every year since 2006. We have more than 26 seminarians and sisters who choose this kind of life to serve God the best they can. Once again, thank you for this apostolate of bringing Mama Mary to us. Let us always pray to our Lord Jesus Christ to have mercy on us through our Blessed Mother, the Blessed Virgin Mary. Again, congratulations to the Mary Help of Christians Crusade.